Hi, I am Jasmin. I am studying a comprehensive course on Brushcamp website, and it has been so much fun. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. So normally online drawing courses often lack personalised assistance to correct and actually teach you how to draw properly. And you don't get that. You don't get the lessons usually on online drawing courses. So I discovered the Brushcamp website through Facebook, and initially I thought, like, this is really affordable and, this is great. So I started with a journey to anime, which is character design art. And you basically learn how to draw anime and it can go from basic and advanced. So I obviously started at basic, and I was really, really surprised. It was really affordable and it was really good value for money. The online video course offered help and support as well. So you have like a personalised learning experience from it, which was really, really helpful. So the course, with all of the knowledge on drawing anime characters from basic to advanced. At the beginning of the course, I learned how to sketch basic parts of an anime character's body, how to coordinate the colours accurately, and then you moved on to like costumes and styles, and then accessories and backgrounds according to the character and the concept. And what made me decide to share this course with you is because of the service. It is completely personalised. And this is the first time that I found an online video drawing course that also has that. So when I complete the drawing, I'll send it off and I'll get feedback. And they teach you how to draw, they give you feedback on it, how to perfect it. And they'll text me reminding me to submit my assignment so that I can pass the course. So this was really interesting, and it was a really good experience. So I've only completed half of the course so far, but I've had a really good time doing it. And obviously the person that helps me has been great. So I hope that the Brushcamp website will become more known so that everyone can experience it. But yeah, it's been a really good experience and an amazing service.